This segment is sponsored by Country Financial.
So you have insurance, but how often do you meet with your agent? Is it only when you have a claim or a question about a bill? Well, Gregg Miller here with Country Financial says you really should be meeting with your agent once a year. And Gregg, we're here at your location on Linnhurst, and congratulations, first of all. This family has had this business for 50 years now.
50 years.
And you've been doing it
April.
for 41.
Yep, 41 myself. Done it a minute.
Yeah. So you know everything.
No.
You know how to help people.
I know how to help
You know
people,
how to help
yes.
people. So let's talk about insurance and why you should be coming to talk to your agent at least once a year. Why is that a good idea?
Well, it's very important to meet with your agent. Things change. Life changes. And, there's discounts available for people. And sometimes those discounts are not readily known to the agent unless we talk about it. Mm-hmm. Life changes occur. People have children. People unfortunately get a divorce. People get married. Unfortunately, people have deaths in the family. And so those are the type things that, we just don't know unless we meet and we, want to talk about those. Great time to do that is once a year, as we say, at your renewal time, review your policy, review your coverages. Companies change with coverages that they offer, and those changes, one of the things that I tell my clients, one of my sayings is, I want to be proactive, not reactive. This business, reaction is not a good thing because you can't undo things that happen. And so it's better for you to go over those things before the fire happens, or the hurricane happens, or the theft happens. And you go over those things because it's just really, really important to have the right coverages in place when that bad thing happens.
Yeah, and learn about discounts. We all like to save money. So,
Yeah.
All right, Gregg, but what about some of the less obvious coverages?
Swimming pools are something that your insurance company needs to know about. Mm-hmm. Trampolines.
And that's why it's such a good idea to really get to know your agent and have a good relationship with them.
Exactly. I mean, people can buy things on the internet, they can buy things over the phone, but it makes a difference when a client can walk into my office and sit in front of my desk and have a conversation. Or I see them out in public and we shake hands and I know their family. I know some of these changes that have taken place because I know them. And, I have in my office, I have about 4 generations of people insured. That's what happens over 50 years.
That leads me to my next question. What's the best way people can get in touch with you, Gregg?
Best way to get in touch with me, my office is on Skidaway in Linnhurst. My phone number is the same number I've had for 50 years, 912-355-5454. Gregg Miller is my name, and we'll be right here in the same location we've been for 50 years.
This segment is sponsored by Country Financial.